Hello students of class 9th. I am Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Now today I discuss the chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variables. I think you know that the linear equation in one variable is already known in the previous classes. For example, x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus under root 3 equal to 0, under root 2, y plus under root 5 equal to 0, x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable. This is the linear equation in one variable. Now, such type of equation we draw on the number line. Such type of equation we draw on the number line. And also the linear equation of two variable whose x variable as well as y variable similarly m, n, p, q and so. Generally we use the x and y variable for two variables. For example, the cost of notebook and the cost of pen is 100 rupees. What is the total cost of notebook and pen? Let us suppose that the cost of notebook be x, cost of notebook be rupees x, and the cost of pen be rupees y. Then the total cost of notebook and pen x plus y equal to 100. X plus y equal to 100. Now here explain the cost of notebook rupees x and cost of pen rupees y. The total cost equal to x plus y 100. 100 is the total cost of notebook and pen. Such type of equation as the linear equation in two variable. Linear equation into two variables. Now, the general equation of two variable is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of linear in two variable, which express the question arises on the general equation. Some question now here expressed as the 2x plus 3y 9.35. 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. First, we arrange the question in general form. First, we arrange the question in general form. सबसे पहले हमें इस क्वेश्चन को इस जनरल फॉर्म में अरेंज करना है. First, we arrange the question in general form, and now compare 2x plus 3y 9.35 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 equal to 0. Minus 9.35 equal to 0. Therefore, we compare the general equation to the given equation. Now compare the general equation to the given equation, and then a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to minus 9.35. Minus 9.35. So therefore, we apply the condition. We apply the condition related to the question. Related to the question, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and indicated the value of ABC, and indicated the value of ABC. Now the next question. Next question. X minus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0. First we simplify the question related to the general form of linear equation in two variable. General form of linear equation in two variable. So 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0 upon 5, and 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. Then we compare these value. With the general equation, and a equal to 5, b equal to minus 1, and c equal to minus 50. So the question, we verify the given question in general form and indicated the given value indicated the given value of A, B, C to the given equation. So the exercise 1 to complete the question related to their topics. Now thanks today.